for apple. B for baby. C for car. D for dog. E for elephant. F for flower. G for glasses. H for hand. I for igloo. J for jug. K for keyboard. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for pony. Q for queen. R for rainbow. S for spider. T for tiger. U for unicorn. V for van. W for whale. X for X-ray. Y for york. Z for zebra.